you ever bring one home that you pick out?
I never have, but if you brought your checkbook, we might. It's Saturday morning. We don't have any chickens. The wives are at home with the kids. Eric and I are loaded up. We're gonna do a little shopping.
I'm driving again. Do you ever drive?
I do every now and then.
Think about that. When do you chauffeur me? Y'all see what royalty's like?
I'm the smart one. We're headed to Ridge Spring, South Carolina. There is a sale there today. The Yon Family Farms. We've been talking about going to this sale for several years, but it just never does quite work out. But finally worked out today. We are headed that way.
Getting close, what, 30 minutes maybe?
Trying to talk Eric into buying us a good one.
Well, you know, it's just according to how much money you want to spend. Because I'm there for moral support.
See if we can get him to come off the hip a little bit.
I could afford the hip of one.
So we've made it to Yon Family Farms. This is where everything will be sold, but for now, we're gonna go check out their bulls. You see anything you like, sir?
Everything right there is black.
You wanna take it home?
You don't mind.
Eric's got his eye on lot number 10.
So if we bring him home, his name's gotta be Chipper. We'll see. Does it look like a chipper? Probably
10.
7 people just understood that.
H396. He's probably gonna be out of our price range, but it doesn't hurt to dream.
Hey, it's like I said, Mike Tyson was right. He said everybody's got a plan until you get punched in the mouth. Kind of like a lot like a bull sale. Everybody's got a plan. You start raising your hand, thinking about how much you're gonna have to write a check for.
Should we change it to kicked in the mouth since we're dealing with bulls?
Possible. Maybe he can be called Chipper Mike.
Check out the capacity and the muscling in this son of Reno. Back to a future focus. Top 3% dollar C, top 4% W, top 5% M. Lot 10.
Lot 10. I like this Reno, son. Lot 10, the bull. Yes, sir. Have it about 25-3. Have it about 35-4. 45-5. Have it about 555. Have it about 55-6. 65-7. Have it about 7 down to 7 now. Have it about 75-8. Have it about 8 down to 8 now. Have it about 85-9. Have it about 9 down to 9 now. Have it about 95-10. Have it about 95-10. Have it about 95-10 to 10. Have it about 10. Now 5. Have it about 10-5. Now 11. Now 5. Have it about 11-5. Have it about 11, 5, 12. Have it about 12, 12, 12, have it about 12, 5, 13. Have it about 13, down, have it about 13, down, 13, have it about 13. And 12, bid 13, down, have it about 13, 13, 13. 12's right there. 13, you're out on line. You want to be 12-5, Keith? 12-5 on line. Have it about 12-5. Have it about 12-5, 5, 5, have it about 12-5, 12-5, 5, have it about 12-5, 5, have it about 12-5, 5, have it about 12-5. Sold the bull 12,000, 12,000.
Yeah, lot 10 was a little bit out of our price range.
Thank you. Here's 11.
Mark and Dome.
7, 9, 6.
Another big stout son of Swamp Fox, out of a way up. A heifer bull here, high maternal, high growth, high carcass. 182.
What do you give here? 25. 2,500, 25, 7 high, 27 high, 7 high, internet, you gotta be 7 high, 27 and a half, 3, 2 high, 32 high, 2 high, 32 5, 5, 35, 35, 35, 7 high, 7 high, 7 high, now 4,000 here, 4, now 2 high, 42 and a half, 42 and a half, 42 and a half, 45, 45, 45, 45, 7 and a half, 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 5,000, 5,000 here, 5,000 to go. Now 2 and a half, 52 and a half, 55, Steve, you're out, 55, 55, 55, slowly.
Loaded up,
Headed out.
going back to Alabama. Not empty-handed though.
Well, you know, we didn't get lot one, but we'll settle for on down in the line.
The first 2 bulls sold for $21,000 each, just a little bit out of our price range. But we did end up coming home. Well, I say coming home, they'll be delivered in a few weeks. But we ended up buying 2 bulls.
I tried to trade my truck for number 2, but they still wanted boot.
Anyway, we got us a good heifer bull and also a good power bull, which is basically what we were wanting. We were wanting 2 bulls, 1 heifer bull, and 1 power bull.
Yeah. Happy to take 2 home. Actually, bulls were pretty strong up there this year. I didn't know if we were going to be able to get one, but I think everybody went to get some chili and we got lucky. We knew what you'd say pretty much. I mean, bathroom breaks.
Sounds about right. We snuck a couple in on them.
You get a discount when you buy one with 3 legs.
But Yon Family Farms, it was a good day. We enjoyed it. So we're headed back home. We got about a 3-hour trip home.
All in all, it's a successful day. I would have been proud leaving with 1, but I'm sure proud to have 2. I didn't really expect to get 2, but when you got old deep pockets over here, you just, you know, it's endless.
Before you buy 2 bulls, after you buy 2 bulls. What do you think, Cowboy?
When your check bounces. Awkward.
Here we go.
Well, we thought we had 2 going. Maybe he's got them.
I feel like we were just going 97 and he was going 4.
We won't talk about that. Do you know if we're going the right way?
Yeah.
We are.